From a bold declaration of independence, a new nation was born, forged in the fires of revolution and guided by the promise of liberty. Led by figures like George Washington, the United States fought for its freedom, securing a place on the world stage. The 19th century was an age of expansion, as pioneers pushed westward, shaping the vast continent. Yet the nation was torn apart by civil war, a conflict that tested its very soul. From the ashes, under the leadership of Abraham Lincoln, it found a new birth of freedom. The turn of the century brought an industrial boom, transforming America into a global powerhouse. Through the trials of 2 world wars, the nation stood as a beacon of democracy. The fight for equality continued at home, with the civil rights movement led by visionaries like Martin Luther King Jr., demanding justice for all. From the space race to the digital age, America's story is one of constant change, relentless innovation, and an enduring pursuit of a more perfect union.